In the 21st century, the pursuit of understanding our existence persists, echoing the sentiments of the ancient Greek philosopher Socrates, who professed, "One, I know that I know nothing." The quest for knowledge has led us to explore the realms of quantum physics, a branch of science that challenges our conventional understanding of reality. As we delve into the mysteries of the quantum world, we encounter phenomena that can be described as nothing short of miraculous. Modern science has yet to unravel the fundamental questions surrounding our existence and the nature of the universe. The 7 biggest unanswered questions in physics, including quantum gravity, particle masses, and the matter-antimatter asymmetry, highlight the gaps in our understanding. In this quest for answers, quantum physics emerges as a frontier that hints at the profound complexities underlying our reality. One of the intriguing aspects of quantum physics is the phenomenon of action at a distance. Quantum entanglement, teleportation, and Bell-type correlations challenge our intuitive understanding of how the world works. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics proposes an explanation that avoids the necessity of action at a distance, offering a different perspective on the nature of reality. The mysteries of quantum physics are exemplified in the famous experiment with 2 holes, where a single electron's measured position can only be explained through the concept of wave function interference. This raises questions about the quantum God effect, suggesting a deeper connection between quantum phenomena and the mysteries of the universe. Few of Albert Einstein's sayings have been as widely quoted as his remark that God does not play dice with the universe. People have naturally taken his quip as proof that he was dogmatically opposed to quantum mechanics, which views randomness as a built-in feature of the physical world. When a radioactive nucleus decays, it does so spontaneously. No rule will tell you when or why. When a particle of light strikes a half-silvered mirror, it either reflects off it or passes through. The outcome is open until the moment it occurs. You do not need to visit a laboratory to see these processes. Lots of websites display streams of random digits generated by Geiger counters or quantum optics. Being unpredictable even in principle, such numbers are ideal for cryptography, statistics, and online poker. Einstein, so the standard tale goes, refused to accept that some things are indeterministic, that they just happen, and there is not a darn thing anyone can do to figure out why. Almost alone among his peers, he clung to the clockwork universe of classical physics, ticking mechanistically, each moment dictating the next.